YouTube, hey man, what's going on, man? It's your boy Fish, back another POV. Long time no see. If you're new to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I ain't gonna waste no time, man. We're about to get right into this POV, man. Get right into it. Let's put this over here before we start. Exit off of there, and then we're gonna go into connect now, connect. About window down a little bit. Yep. So currently right now, chat, I'm talking about chat. Right now I'm heading to go get some sweets from a spot called Sugar Rush. If y'all not familiar with that spot, it's a spot that sells like cupcakes and cake and stuff like that. So I'm about to go there and grab probably some cupcakes. And I was like, you know what, let me go and get a POV in, because I have not got one in a minute, bro. Like, it's been a minute since I got a POV going. So I was like, let me go in here and record for y'all, because people been asking me to make videos. So we're back. Oh, we roll the window down a little bit, just so y'all can hear these turbos and stuff. Yeah, man, life been lifing, man. I've been taking a little break off of making content, because for those of y'all that do not follow my main channel, that's like where I be posting a lot. And I just been taking time to get my mind right, man. Get my mind right. I honestly, this is my first time driving my car in like a week. Like, my car just been sitting. I have not driven it, but this is my first time driving it today. So yeah. What else? I'm about to say something else. I don't even know what I'm about to say. I'm just glad to, bro, be back in that mode of making content, especially with my car, because that was one of the main reasons why I bought this car. Oh shoot. But that's one of the main reasons why I bought this car. It's for content. But I don't know if y'all can see, I got my 360 cam up. I always like to have it like showing while I'm driving, because I want to know if my camera moves or if it flies off, any of that. I want to be able to know, and I want to be able to kind of prevent it ahead of time. So when I record with my camera, my 360 cam, I always have a preview showing. Well, normally I have GoPro footage showing, but I mean, what's the worst that can happen inside of here with the GoPro on? Like, I might just miss out on footage. But that camera, bro, that's an expensive camera. So yeah. It's also time for me to get an oil change in this thing too. Change, because my oil is running low on my car at the moment. Well, it's not really running low, it's like it's halfway full, halfway empty, if that makes sense. It's like right there. So I ain't gonna push my car too much. All right, bro, you cars, bro, y'all taking y'all time, man. Freaking Mustang. whoop, whoop. This shift, because I hate that. Alright, bet. I'm in the right gear. But yeah, man. Those y'all that's watching this video, how y'all been, bro? How y'all been? What's y'all favorite, like, what's y'all dream car? Let me know in the comments. What's y'all dream car? Or not even just dream car. What's the car that you want that you don't have? Or either you have it and you want to do mods some to it. Like, what's one of y'all like dream cars? And me personally, bro, right now, like, I love this car right here, this 340. But one of my dream BMWs, it has to be either an M3 Comp, a M5, or worst case, probably M8. The M8. I like how the M8s look. The M4s, they're starting to grow on me, but it's like, I don't know, bro. Because I'm not a big fan of coupes, and the M4 happens to be a coupe, but it looks lovely, bro. Like, every time I see an M4 on the road, it just looks like, it looks stunning. So they're starting to grow on me. But for sure, either an M3 or an M5, for sure, when it comes to Beamers. Also, I like the SUVs too, the X5. I think it's what, it's the X5, X3, and the X2, I believe. Bro, all those cars are lovely. Okay, I was about to do something very illegal, but I'm glad I did not do it. I'm glad I did not let my intrusive thoughts get the best of me, because I was about to do something crazy. Yeah, I was gonna do what they was gonna do. But woo, it's gonna be a new year. Christmas right around the corner. Christmas is actually what, next week? Christmas is next week. Man, this year right here really flew by pretty fast, bro. Like, it flew by fast as heck. Oh, baby. I see a toll road. I see a toll. Come on, bro. Just, hold on, let me fix my... Alright, do it like that. Yeah, you messed up. You tried to get inside this toll. Too bad, too sad. Alright, make sure the coast is clear, because, you know, police, bro, they be... I don't know what it is, but ever since I've been driving my car, I've been running into a hella... Look, like it's... I knew it, bro. I think that's an undercover cop behind me. I was literally about to... Is that an undercover cop? It looked like it. Oh, no. But yeah, like I was saying, ever since I bought this car, everywhere I go, it's like it's always police, bro. This is the only car that I've had where I've seen so many police officers every time I drive this car. Like, no other vehicle. Like, when I had my old BMW, I had a 330 before this, I never would see police. I had a Yukon that I drive, I don't never see police. My mom has a Benz, I never see the police. But the moment I get inside this, police be spawning everywhere, like it's a GTA server. Like, I don't understand it. Let me roll the window down a little bit. It might get a little windy, y'all. I just want y'all to be able to hear it a little bit. Okay, no, it looks like it's backed up. Look at all that traffic. Hey, boy, this car is so fun. This car is so fun to drive, bro. But dang, look at this car speeding behind me so fast. Like, jeez. that a Ford? Oh, that's a Range Rover. But then look at this crazy part. Today is my first day driving my car, right? In over a week. When I last drove it, I filled my tank all the way up. I had approximately 260 miles on full. Just me doing that right there, I'm at 230 miles already. That don't make no sense. Make cars get out your way, man. Just downshift and they get out your way. I promise you. You ever want a car to get out your way and you driving something fast, downshift, they will get out the way. Like, watch this. Let me just give y'all an example. Oh, well, I lied. That was a terrible theory. They should have moved. I don't know why they didn't move yet. I think they're moving over now. They should, right? 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 Okay, Ford. Okay, Ford. That's where. You see that? Now you want to move over. I gave you all the opportunity to move over. You ain't want to move over then. Like, come on, man. I gave you all that. Like, y'all see that? Do y'all see what I'm talking about? I gave them all that opportunity to move over. They don't move over. The moment I try to get over, now you want to get over. Make it make sense. Like, boy. I swear, boy. People these days, when they be driving, man, it makes no sense, bro. Like, I gave you an opportunity to get over. You ain't want to get over. Y'all seen that in 4K too. Like, come on, bro. And of course, it would be a Kia. Like, it's always a Kia. Always a dang on Kia, bro. Never fails. Ooh, damn. Somebody's speeding. I just don't know who. Alright, see, this is gonna be chill over here though, chat. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna cruise over here because yeah, I don't got no radar, and this is like typically over here in this area where I'm at, bro, police be over here everywhere. Every corner, every turn, every light, every stop sign, like, bro, they be everywhere over here. So we just gonna cruise. I might hear a little wind though, because I'm probably gonna drive with my windows down so I can hear my turbos and my exhaust. So that's what we're gonna do over here. Turn this bad boy nice and easy. Woo! Bro, my heart, bro. Oh, my heart. My heart. I thought that FedEx truck was about to pull in front of me, bro. I was gonna be so mad. I was gonna just ruin the whole entire POV right there. My car had been totaled and everything. All because of a FedEx driver. Construction worker, bro. Thank you. Get out the way. By the way, chat, I'm not road raging, but like I'm raging the road. That didn't make no sense, bro. That literally just, what do I be talking about in these POVs, bro? Like, what do I generally be talking about? I don't be talking about a thing. All right. Okay, I think I'm over here. Ooh, y'all hear that turbo? Just ready to go. Y'all hear that? Just listen. Ooh. Like, come on, man. All right, I'm over here. He talking about spin it. He talking about spin it. He funny. He want me to spin it. I ain't spinning that, man. I'm not over here. He trying to get me caught up. We ain't spinning this bad boy. I'll do my exhaust, but I ain't doing no spin. You crazy. Not no all-wheel drive at that. All right, we backing back here because yeah. Don't judge me today. I'm using my backup camera. I normally don't do this, but we're using it today. But chat, I'm talking about chat, family, POV, whatever. I don't know what I'm gonna call y'all. This will conclude the POV. As y'all can see, I made this my destination. About to go in there, grab me some desserts, and that will be all. So if you want more videos like this, make sure y'all leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Matter of fact, let's go to my channel right now. Let's see where we at. Hold on. Let's see where we at. Okay, right now we're currently at 204 subscribers. I don't know if y'all can see that. 204 subscribers. When I drop this video, bro, I need everybody to hit that subscribe button, and I want to at least get to, let's try to get 20 subscribers off this video. That's all I'm pushing for. 20 subs, and that'll make my day. But I love y'all, man. I love y'all. To conclude today's POV, your boy Fish is out. Peace. Whew.